Your shower head may look clean, but over time it can collect limescale, calcium buildup, and other nasty deposits inside the spray holes. This buildup can reduce water pressure and make your shower spray uneven. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, I'll show you a simple and effective way to clean your shower head using just a few household items. The method is easy, affordable, and only takes a little time to restore your shower head so it looks and works like new. Step 1. Soak. First, gather a few simple items: a small plastic bag, some distilled white vinegar, a rubber band, and a small cleaning brush. Start by filling the plastic bag with enough vinegar to fully cover the shower head. Then place the bag over the shower head so the spray holes are completely submerged in the vinegar. Use the rubber band to secure the bag tightly around the shower head so it stays in place. Now, let the shower head soak in the vinegar. Vinegar works as a natural cleaner that slowly breaks down limescale and mineral buildup inside the spray holes. You can start by letting it soak for about 2 hours. If the buildup is heavier, you can extend the soaking time to 4 hours. In more stubborn cases, leaving it overnight may give the best results. During this time, the vinegar will begin dissolving the minerals, and you may even notice small particles falling into the bag. Step 2. Clean. After the soaking time is finished, carefully remove the rubber band and take off the bag. Most of the mineral buildup should already be loosened. If you still notice small deposits around the spray holes, gently scrub them using a small cleaning brush. Next, turn on the water and let it run for a few seconds. This will flush out any remaining debris from inside the shower head. Once the water runs clear, your shower head should look cleaner and spray much more evenly, almost like new. And that's it! A simple vinegar soak is one of the easiest ways to remove mineral buildup and keep your shower head working properly. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more simple home maintenance tips and faucet care guides. See you in the next video.